Hello students. Now we will discuss, as I promised you in my previous video, we will discuss few problems based on whatever formula we discussed. But before that problem, I want to discuss few important concepts in that concept. That is, I will tell you few things. I need your involvement in this, so it's better. Okay. See, we all know cos of x plus y is z. Yes. That is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay. We all know cos of x minus y is z. That is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Okay. Again, we all know sin of x plus y is z. That is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay. Similarly, sin of x minus y is nothing but sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Now you may ask the question, what we can do with these expression? What we can do is, for time being, I will call this as equation 1, this as equation 2, this as equation 3, this as equation 4. Now I'll do some performance here. I'll write 1 plus 2. If I add first two equations, I will get cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y is equal. When I add, these two terms will get cancelled. Cos x cos y, it is 2 times repeated. 2 times of cos x cos y. Hope so you understood. Now, if I subtract same equation, that is 1 minus 2, what will happen? Cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y. When I subtract, I guess these two will cancel. Here sign will change, it becomes minus 2 times of sin x sin y. Okay. Suppose I have added subtract. Similarly, let me operate on 3 and 4. If I add 3 and 4, I am getting sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y. Okay. When I add these two expressions, cancels in K, so you left with 2 times of sin x cos y. And as expected, if I do 3 minus 4, so what will happen? When I do 3 minus 4, so this expression becomes sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus 1, which is equal, when I subtract these two, here it will cancel, subtraction and sign will change, again it becomes cos x sin y, it is 2 times of cos x, sin y. Now you wonder what I will do with this. Let me take this as a 5, let me take this as a 6, let me take this as a 7, and let me take this as a 8. I have named this equation. Now what I will do here is, I will do something. Let x plus y is equal to a and x minus y equal to b. Okay. Therefore, what it gives me this. I will add these expression first. If I add this expression, it become, if I add these two, x plus x 2x, y minus y 0, so it become adding a plus b. Therefore x is nothing but a plus b by 2. And if I subtract this expression, x cancel, so what will happen? It is, when you subtract y and y, it is 2y, which is equal to a minus b, implies y equal to a minus b by 2. Okay. Therefore, equation 5, 6, 7, 8 becomes. Okay, becomes. I have to x plus y a. Okay, so it becomes cos a plus cos b. Okay, is equal to 2 times of, what is x here? A plus b by 2. Therefore 2 times of cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Okay, when I consider equation 6, it becomes cos a minus cos b is equal to minus 2 times sin a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. Okay, then equation 7 becomes sin a plus sin b is equal to 2 times of sin a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Lastly, sin a minus sin b, because x minus y is b, is equal to 2 times of cos a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. So these are the formulas of greater importance to solve upcoming problems. Therefore, cos a plus cos b. In some textbook they have given cos c plus cos d, means they have taken x plus y as c, x minus y as a d. It's your wish. Therefore, or sometimes they have taken x and y, but better you take a and b. So therefore, cos a plus cos b is 2 times of cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Cos a minus cos b is minus 2 times sin a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. Sin a plus sin b is 2 sin a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. And sin a minus sin b is 2 times of cos a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. So these are all results of greater importance. Okay. Otherwise, one more thing I want to tell you at the end of this here. I'll write now. I'll write last note to you people. This is finished. Okay. Now I will change 5, 6, 7, 8 to my requirement. If I want to find cos x cos y, or if I want to find cos a cos b, what is the formula? Therefore, cos x cos y, okay, is nothing but bring that 2 here. It becomes 1 by 2 times cos of x plus y plus cos x minus 1. This is another form. Similarly, if I consider 6, if I want to find sin x sin y or sin a sin b, it is nothing but bring that minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 times cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus 1. Okay. Consider equation 7. Sin x cos y, okay, is equal to 1 by 2 times, okay, sine of x plus y plus sine of x minus y. And lastly, cos x sin y. Okay, cos x sin y is equal to, bring 1 by 2 on this side, 1 by 2 times sine of x plus y minus sine of x minus y. So these are the formula. They very rarely ask derivation of this, but problem based on this is 100% every year. Therefore, cos A cos B is 2 times of cos A plus B by 2, cos A minus B by 2. Cos A minus cos B is minus 2 times sin A plus B by 2, sin A minus B by 2. Sin A plus sin B is 2 times of sin A plus B by 2, cos A minus B by 2. Sin A minus sin B is 2 times of cos A plus B by 2, sin A minus B by 2. Or if you want product formula, this is called addition formula. Addition of two trigonometric functions. If you want product formula, cos A cos B. Here I took notation x and y. You may take it as a cos A cos B. Cos A cos B is 1 by 2 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Sin A sin B is minus 1 by 2 times cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Sin A cos B is 1 by 2 times sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. And lastly, cos A sin B is 1 by 2 times sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. I request you to note down these two formulas, these four plus these. Okay, it is all steps, it's not required. I just told you consider this formula, add and subtract, no need to mention. But these 4 plus 4, you will note down. This is very important formula. Okay. So this is of great importance. Now it's time to solve few problems based on so far what we discussed the formula. We go step by step. Okay. All you need, you have to memorize this. There is no any shortcut. Okay. You have to memorize these 4 plus 4 8 formula. Hope so you noted this. So let me solve few problems based on these formulas. Okay. Let me begin with a very simple question. Let me begin one by one. Now what else? Let me take problems based on these things. Let me discuss basic questions first, simple questions. Then we will go to some bit challenging questions. Okay. See, they have expected us to solve few questions. So let me discuss one by one. Prove that 3 times of sin pi by 6 into sec pi by 3 minus 4 times of sin 5 pi by 6 into cot pi by 4 equal to 1. They expected you to prove this particular answer as 1. First of all, what we should do is sin pi by 6 means sin 30 we know, sec pi by 2 that is sin sec 60. Sec 60 is nothing but sec is reciprocal of cos, that we can manage. Cot pi by 4. Cot is reciprocal of 10. That also we can do. But I don't know sin 5 pi by 6 answer. But I know sin pi by 6 answer. How to tackle such question is, let me take this thing. Consider this thing. That is 3 times of sin pi by 6 into sec pi by 3 minus 4 times of sin 5 pi by 6 into cot pi by 4. Okay, that is 3 into sin pi by 6, that is sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sec pi by 2, that is sec 60. Sec 60 is nothing but, sec is reciprocal of cos. So sec 60 is nothing but 1 by cos 60. We know cos 60 answer, it is 1 by 2. 1 divided by 1 by 2 is 2. Okay, minus 4 times. What I will do, I will express sin 5 pi by 6 as a pi minus pi by 6. Hope so you have understood. Because you can write it as a 6 pi minus pi, 5 pi by 6 into cot pi by 4. Cot pi by 4 is nothing but reciprocal of tan pi by 4. Tan 45 degrees is 1. Pi by 4 means 45 degrees. So its answer is 1. So then what I will do, it is nothing but 2 get cancelled. Okay, 3 into 1 minus 4 times of pi means 180 degree. 180 degree can be written as 2 into 90 degree. Just we will do that rough calculation. Sin of pi minus pi by 6. Okay, which is nothing but sin of 180 degree minus pi by 6 means 30. Yes, 180 can be written as 2 into 90 degree. I told that rule. Yes, 2 is an even number. Even number means function will remain function only. It is sin 30 degree. 180 minus 30, if you take quadrant, it is 0 to 90, 90 to 180, 180 to 270, 270 to 360. It is 90 plus, this side 90 minus. This is 180 plus, this side is 180 minus. It is 180 minus. 180 minus means second quadrant. In second quadrant, we all know sign is positive. Yes. Therefore, its answer is plus and sin 30 answer is 1 by 2. Therefore, what we will do here is sin 30 answer is 1 by 2. That is total answer of this is 1 by 2 into 1. Therefore, this becomes 3. 2 ones are 2 2s are. So 3 minus 2. So write equal. At the end, 3 minus 2 is 1. So what we expected, that answer we got. Therefore, the complete expression final answer is 1 that we proved. Okay. Let me discuss next question. Find the value of sin 15 degree. So far we know sin 30 degree, sin 45 degree, sin 60 degree. This how to find? How to find means we have to make use of formulas. So what we will do here is, sin 15 degree can be written in many ways. 15 can be written as 12 plus 3. Okay, 30 minus 50. Okay, many ways you can write. Okay, 60 minus 45. But let me use some convenient. Can I write this in this way? 45 minus 30. Yeah, it looks like sin of x minus y. Sin x minus, choose in such a way that when you will write, no, that value should known to you. Both values I know. Therefore, I know sin of x minus y. Sin of x minus y is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay. Sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Cos 30 degree answer is root 3 by 2. minus cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Its final answer is root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. When you simplify, its final answer is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So sin 15 answer is root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Okay. Now let me take another question. So if you know formulas, you can deduct many answers. Let me take another question. Find the value of sin 45 degree. I told you 75 can be written in many ways, but choose a value in such a way that then the value should be known to you. What I will do is sin 75 degree. I will write it as a sin of 45 degree plus 30 degree. Okay. Now sin of x plus y. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay. So sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin 45 degrees 1 by root 2. Cos 30 degree answer is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2. Sin 30 degree answer is 1 by 2. So when you simplify, it is root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. LCM is same, root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Because we all know value 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2 and 1 by 2. When you take and you simplify, you will get answer like this. Okay, so that's the way. Okay, let me take another interesting question. Find the value of tan 15 degree. Okay, these are all some exercise questions. You just take care of rest questions. Okay, almost all are similar. So tan 15 degree. So tan 15 degree, what I will do? Tan 15 degree I will express in this way: 45 minus 30. Okay, now you know tan of A minus B formula, that is tan A minus tan B or tan X minus tan Y upon 1 plus tan X into tan Y. Okay, tan 45 degrees 1 minus tan 30. Tan 30 is nothing but sin 30 divided by cos 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. It is 1 by root 3. Right? Then 1. Tan 45 is 1. Tan 30. Tan 30 is sin 30 by cos 30. Again 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. It is 1 by root 3. So when you take LCM, it is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 divided by root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Root 3 get cancelled. When you simplify, it is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Because tan 30 is 1 by root 3, yeah, that is not sin 30 by cos 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is it is root 3 by 2, yeah. So 2 get cancelled 1 by root 3, and when you simplify, you get root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Okay, so this is about the answer for these questions. Let me discuss few questions again. I'll discuss few questions which you feel difficult and which all simple, you just take care. Okay. Almost all are similar questions. It all depends on how strong you are in reasoning. Okay. Prove that sin square pi by 6. Okay. Plus cos square pi by 3. Okay, minus tan square pi by 4 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. It have to prove this particular results. See, what I will consider left hand side expression, that is sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. To make my work simple, I will write it as a sin pi by 6 the whole square. Am I right? Next, cos pi by 3 the whole square, right? Minus tan pi by 4 the whole square. Now we all know sin pi by 6, that is sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. It is 1 by 2 the square plus it is cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Am I right? Minus tan 45, 1 square. So 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 minus 1. It is nothing but 2 by 4 minus 1. 2 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1. So 1 by 2 minus 1 means 1 minus 2 minus 1. Minus 1 divided by 2, which is 1 answer. Okay. So if you know tables perfectly, you can easily manage these answers. Okay. You should know table. Let me take another question. 2 sin square pi by 6. So I guess you understood this problem. So if you know systematic, okay, ways to prove, you can easily manage these things. Okay. Let me take another question. 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6, okay, into cos square pi by 3, into cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2, is equal to 3 by 2. That result we need to prove now. Again, better you don't wait for my response. Now you got a perfection, so better you work with me. I'll consider left hand side. That is 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6, okay, into cos square pi by 2. What we will do here is 2 as it is sin pi by 6 the whole square. Then cosec 7 pi by 6 the whole square. Correct? Into cos pi by 3 the whole square. Right? Now we all know sin pi by 6 answer. Pi by 6 means 30 degree. It is sin 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 the whole square. Plus, I don't know anything about cosec 7 pi by 6, but I will write this thing as cosec of pi plus pi by 6. Am I right? Am I right? Because 6 into pi 6 pi. 6 pi plus pi 7 pi. 7 pi by 6 into cos pi by 3. It is cos 60. Cos 60 can be written as 1 by 2. Therefore, it is 1 by 2 the whole square. Now let me sort out this. See here, I'll do rough work here. Cosec pi plus pi by 6 can be written as cosec of 180 degree plus 30 degree. 180 can be written as 2 into 90 degree. Am I right? Plus 30 degree. 2 is even, therefore function will remain function only. Cosec of 30 degree. 180 plus 30, I have told many times. First, second, third. Third is nothing but it is 180 plus. In third quadrant, A is T. Tan is positive, cot is positive, rest all negative. Therefore, it is minus. Therefore, this answer will become minus of cosec 30. Cosec 30 is reciprocal of sine. Cosec 30 is nothing but 1 divided by sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2 is 2. Therefore, this answer I will replace as minus 2. Understood? Therefore, let me use now 2 into 1 by 4 plus minus 2 the whole square into 1 by 4. It is nothing but 1 by 2 plus 4 times of 1 by 4. Okay, this will cancel. You left with 1 by 2 plus 1. It is 3 by 2. Yes, as per expectation, we got answer 3 by 2. It all depends on how accurate you are in calculation. Okay, it all depends on, you should know the table, you should know the DSTC criteria. If you know, you will easily manage it. Okay, let me take another question. We'll take another question now. Prove that cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 3 tan square pi by 6 is equal to 6 is equal to 6. As per the rule, let me consider left hand side, that is cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6. To make my work simple, I will write this as a cot pi by 6 the whole square. This I won't touch, let me keep it as it is. Then this as tan pi by 6 the whole square. We all know cot pi by 6. Cot 30. Cot 30 is equal to cos 30 divided by sin 30. It is equal to root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. It is equal to root 3, right? The speed. Cosec 5 pi by 6 can be written as cosec of pi minus pi by 6. So you understood. 6 pi minus pi, 5 pi by 6 plus 3 times of tan 30. Tan 30 can be written as sin 30 by cos 30. It is 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So it is 1 by root 3 the whole square. So it is nothing but root 3 the square 3 plus, let me use ASTC rule. Cosec of 180 minus 30. 180 can be written as 2 into 90 minus 30. 2 into 90 means even function will get a function only. Cosec of 30 degree. 180 minus 30 means as per many problem we solved. Second quadrant, in second quadrant, ASTC. All are positive, sin and cosec are positive. So plus cosec 30 again we know 2 because it's a reciprocal of sin 2. So this answer becomes 2 plus 3 times of 1 by 3. Yes. So 3 get cancelled. We left with 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Yes. We got answer 6 in this case. So if you know ASTC rule, if you know formulas, you will easily manage, you will easily crack these questions. Okay. So I solved some challenging question, difficult question. I left some similar question. You take it as an exercise and you take risk to solve such questions. Don't simply depend on these questions. Okay. Now let me take another question. find the value of tan of 13 pi by 12. Find the value of tan 13 pi by 12. That question will discuss. Now I will not give in detail this problem. You have to think why I wrote like this, because I saw many questions. If I say go on saying like this, you won't work. So just think on it why I am written like this. I write this thing as tan of pi plus pi by 12, because 12 pi plus pi, 13 pi by 12. Now it looks like tan of 180. It is tan pi by 12. Okay, because it is 2 into 90, tan only 180 plus theta in third quadrant, ASTC rule, tan is positive. Now you will think, I will write this thing as tan of pi by 4 minus pi by 6. You think, please. I will write tan pi by 12 as tan pi by 4 minus pi by 6. You only think why I wrote like this. Now I know tan of x minus y is better. Yes, previously we discussed this video. So tan of x minus y is tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x tan y. Okay. So tan 45 is 1 minus tan 30 sin 30 divided by cos 30, 1 by root 3. Here 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. So when you take LCM, it is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3. It is root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Okay, when you simplify, this answer becomes root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. So tan 13 pi by 12, answer is root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Again in textbook they have simplified. If you want to simplify, just rationalize by root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. You will get it simplified form. So try to keep in simplified form. I want your involvement why I wrote this way. Okay, so just think on it and just proceed further. It's very simple technique. Why to write? Because I saw based on such technique many questions. But it all depends on how you will approach in this way. Okay, just take care of this thing. Let me discuss one more last question. So today you please, all of you, take care of all these problems. Take interest in solving such questions. Okay, let me take a last question. Prove that sin of x plus y divided by sin of x minus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by tan x minus tan y. Okay, that we will discuss. Now, as per protocol, it's your wish to take LHS or RHS. I'll take LHS. Sin x plus y divided by sin x minus y. You know sin of x plus y is sin x cos y cos x sin y divided by sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Okay, divide numerator shortly and denominator on right hand side by cos x cos y. Just think why. Therefore we got sin of x plus y divided by sin of x minus y is equal to, when you divide numerator, sin x by cos x, tan x cos y cancel. So this answer becomes tan x plus cos x by cos x cancel, sin y by cos y, tan y divided by sin x by cos x, tan x cos y, cancel, tan x, right? Cos x by cos x, cancel, sin y by cos y, tan. So I guess that's the expectation. Yeah, we got same what we expected. So the plus point of this thing is if you know formula, you can easily manage any kind of problems in trigonometry. That I want to tell you through this. Okay, just take care of such thing. Show interest in solving problem. Memorize formula. Okay, write down formula till you become perfect. Then you watch these videos. So that is very important. Please take care, solve exercise questions. Okay, at the end of textbook, many questions I saw which you feel difficult, and similar question I left you as an exercise. So take interest in solving such questions, and keep in mind you have to memorize many formula: cos of x plus y, cos of x minus y, sin of x plus y, sin of x minus y, tan of x plus y, tan of x minus y, sin 2x, cos 2x, tan 2x, sin 3x, cos 3x, tan 3x. Now after this, cos x plus cos y, cos x minus cos y, sin x plus sin y, sin x minus sin y, then sin x cos y, cos x sin y, sin x sin y, cos x cos y, sin 30, sin 60, sin 45, sin 60, sin 75. All these things you need to memorize, otherwise solving problem is next to impossible. You need to by heart every time. So better you don't depend on any circumstances. Just believe in yourself, work hard, work smartly. That gives you the perfection. Okay? You memorize this thing. Next, okay, I will come with few more challenging, interesting questions on these criteria. Till then, you take care of all these problems, solve exercise questions. Till then, take care. Thank you very much.